What's up, YouTube? Please subscribe, please like. So, we're here with Katie here.
Yeah.
Well, sorry. On the other video, I did a burping video, which got viral. At least what I say. So why don't we do it again? Katie, count for me, okay? Ready? Start.
That was 8 seconds.
Yes. Okay. How many seconds can you do it?
Probably 1.
Okay, go.
No, thank you.
Okay. You just suck your hair singing. Sometimes. Well, bye. Wait. One more burp. You guys count and comment down below how many seconds it was. Ready? 18 seconds. Bye.